quadratic equation by factoring. This is the equation: x squared minus 7x plus 10 equals 0. So first, let's look at this operation where there's a minus and plus. So minus and plus will be the factor. So both are minus. So next, we get the value of c, or constant, which is 10. What are the factor of 10? 5, 2, 10, 1. Minus. We add negative 7, negative 11. We put here negative 5 and negative 2. X minus 5 equal 0 and x minus 2 equal 0. So next, negative 5 transfer to 0. And negative 2 transfer to 0. And it will be negative 5 and negative 2.